video all about explaining EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. Emotional Freedom Technique is a technique that works on the meridian systems in your body, so your energy system in your body. It works because in your energy you have what's called meridians, and they're meridian lines, and they go through the body. And you know, we can get blockages in those energy lines just from, you know, emotional traumas or suppressed emotions, things like that, that actually stop the energetic flow in our body. Okay. And so what EFT does is it actually works to unblock that energy and get it flowing again. Okay. Also, EFT helps work on the amygdala, which is a part of the brain that is responsible for your fight and flight response. Okay. And so when we tap on this sequence through the body, we're actually telling the amygdala to calm down and relax, and then our nervous system will start to relax. Okay. And so, you know, you can use this for so many things. It's an amazing tool. And basically, we are using it like this. So we start with a karate chop point on the side of the hand, and we start with a setup statement. So we would say, even though I'm feeling upset right now, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Okay. And then we would do that 3 times. And then we would go through a sequence through the body, which firstly we've got the eyebrow one, which is just say coming into the eyebrow right at the tip of the eyebrow here, right? We'd say the statement, you know, I'm just feeling really angry at the moment, right? Then we come on the side of the eye, so the corner of the eye on the side here. Then we come directly under the eye, where the eyeballs are, right down at the cheekbone. Okay, then we come under the nose here, just here. Right, and in that indentation in the chin. Then we've got these centers here, so you come down the collarbone, where the collarbone is at the start, going across into these little indentations here, and we tap. You can either tap this way or your hand across. I usually do that. I find that easier, right? And then you've got one under the arm, which is just along here, along your, it's called your lat muscle. Okay, just on the side there. And then you've got the one on your head, on the top of your head. You can go around the whole head, but you really want to hit the center of the head, right? Because that's where the meridian line is. And like I said, so that's the whole process. And like I said, you would be concentrating on a specific thing, and you would tap through to really clear the energy around that particular issue. And then, like I said, it also sends a message to the amygdala to calm everything down. And then you release that out of your energy. You open up your energy, and any blockages, you know, push through. And basically, it's very much in alignment with acupuncture. Okay. But obviously we don't use needles, we use our fingertips. And by tapping on those particular points, you are stimulating those points, right? To bring energy to it, to release it out. All right, any blockages. So EFT, like I said, it's an amazing tool. I use it all the time. I just cannot speak enough of it. It can just help so many things with personal growth, with clearing your energy around certain areas and issues. It's such an amazing tool. I also use this particular tool with many of my clients to help them shift on a really deep energetic level, whatever they are working through. I find that by using the EFT, we really go into the energy system and really clear out the blocks of whatever it is that the client is working through or struggling with at the time. And then we always reprogram too. So we are releasing and then reprogramming. I actually have as well that you can use in the comfort of your own home 2 EFTs. One is releasing financial stress and another is releasing anxiety. And they are a low-cost product that is for sale. So let me know if you want to know more about that. And also, please reach out if you want to work deeper around your issues, and we can use this EFT to help you clear out whatever's blocking you from manifesting the things that you want into your life. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos, and I hope to see you in further videos. Let me know in the comments if this has helped you. I would love to know. See you later. Bye.